So, many people have asked me that, with regard to religion, could can this, because they often view religion in a negative light, and we have historically been viewing religion in a negative light, especially in this 21st century, and yet we do not want to forcefully make sure we do not want to forcefully impose our atheism or agnosticism on it, and like impose atheism or agnosticism on it. I would remove the word our, because I'm practically a believer, but the reason why I always say that, if religion is something which is useless and which is bad in general, it's something, then one should not basically forcefully, until and unless it's very bad, or in the sense it's very according to the morality of the people, it's something which is lethal or something like that. It should not be forcefully taken away from them, simply because people have so much of attachment and so much of emotions to it. So one of the Sadhguru is um, you know one of the mystics in India. He identifies himself as mystics, and in his channels, etc. But he is a spiritual, religious, of that some sort of that speaker and leader. He once said that, religion is just like a teddy bear. In your childhood, when your mind is not developed, and when mind is not having rationale and reasoning and so on and so forth, and when it needs other things such as care, love, protection, etc. Teddy bear is something which is your best friend, and if you are going to snatch teddy bear away from them, it's basically you will have a backlash. They will fight for it, they will do everything for it. Similarly, if you look at a teddy bear, similarly if you look at but soon if we let go, if as time passes, and as the person grows, and becomes rational, and becomes more and more aware of life, he as he grows old, he doesn't have to worry about what is happening with the teddy bear. He doesn't worry about it, he doesn't care about it, he doesn't even know where it is. For example, I don't know where my teddy bear is right now, so my childhood teddy bear. Um, so in that scenario, this is how religion should be treated. You just leave them, and they would soon leave the religion. If you're going to force the religion away from them, then it's going to be it's going to face a backlash. We saw backlash in China, we saw backlash in other places, and so yeah, religion is something which is something just like a teddy bear. You should not, even though you don't like it, you even though perhaps it does more good than it does more harm than good in your opinion, but still, doing forcing religion out of them won't do much good either. So yeah, it's religion is like a teddy bear. If you consider it as a teddy bear, if you want that religion should go, and yeah, that's it.